Hello everyone, in the car trying to focus. Something I've been thinking about a lot lately is around AI training, especially for corporate leaders. And there are two main themes that I'm seeing a lot. The one is access to free training material from the likes of Microsoft, Google and others. And this is definitely beneficial. I think organizations should use it to train their staff, because everyone in the organization, is irrespective of level or seniority or role, needs to learn the basics of AI and what this technology means, the risks, the potential, and what it can do for your organization. The challenge there is that it's very generic. It's not African focused. It doesn't speak about the specific societal issues we deal with here in Africa and in South Africa. So it's beneficial, but it's limited. The second thing I see a lot, and this is very important, is that many people are jumping on this bandwagon, especially academics. And I have a great respect for academics. They are often incredibly experienced and smart people. They have a lifetime of teaching and building course material. But here's the challenge. Most of them, if not all of them, have never actually implemented this technology. It's all theoretical, based on research. Again, not without value, but limited. I often say, don't teach things that people can Google. What helps people when you train them is your personal experience. So my question to academics is, what do you really know when it comes to implementing this technology? What do you know about the things that goes wrong? What are the lessons you've learned from your experience? And of course, they cannot answer that question. Again, it's not critical of them or against them. Many of my friends are very, very smart academical people. I work with them, I respect them. Here is the principle for me. Do not teach what people can Google. And what people cannot Google is your personal experience. And when it comes to AI training, yes, we can talk about the basics, what it is, how it works, the various business cases, the ethical risks, all those important things. But when you look at AI training for your business, get somebody who's done it, who's implemented it, whose hands are dirty, who has the wounds on their back and the scars, so to speak. Somebody who can actually tell you the things that they've seen gone wrong and why it's gone wrong. So don't just rely on the free stuff. Don't just rely on the academics and the business schools. They all have value, but the value is limited. Use people, and there are many who have practically implemented this stuff, who have the marks and the scars on their back, and who can teach you the things that you cannot Google.